In this video, I want to talk about how you can invite new users on Temu. Now to do this, you need to sign up for the affiliate program, and this is pretty easy. So just Google Temu affiliate, go to the affiliate program and sign into your account. Then just quickly sign up. It takes like 1 minute. And once you've signed up, you can now scroll down and you will get these links. So these links are for different promos, as you can see. And you just want to copy the link, the general link for the one that you want to do, or the deep link, which will go directly into the app. So you just want to copy the link, send it to your friend or whoever, and they're gonna sign up and you're gonna get your referral. Now this is for new app users. This one is for all users. So you need to make sure they haven't used Temu before, or they have it uninstalled for at least 2 weeks, I believe. You can read if you click on share, there will be where you can read the rules, but that is basically how it works. Now, if you have a social media with a lot of following, you can also promote it there. You can promote it on blogs. You can promote it on any social media like Instagram, TikTok, all sorts of these, and you will be able to get referral. So that is basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.